Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A17, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM card and SD card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool, which I have one right over here prepared for this, but you can find this little thing in a box, obviously where the phone came in, somewhere between the paperwork. Now if you can't locate it, you could just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have something like that prepared, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top side of the phone where the pin is holding. Push it in, and as you can see, the tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it with your fingernail, pull it out, and on the tray you will have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. So place the SD card right here. Now obviously you can occupy the 2 trays, both of them or just one of them, and if you're planning to use one, it doesn't really matter which one you choose. Once your cards are on the tray, you want to carefully insert it back into your phone. Carefully, because there's nothing really holding those cards in place, so with any kind of bumps they could just come out loose out of the tray. And if the tray isn't going back into your device easily, then you might want to take it out to make sure that one of the cards didn't just kind of like come out of it. So anyway, once you insert your cards, they will start working right away. As you can see, I already have reception, and let's just quickly see if I have anything about SD card in here, and yes I do. So SD card is working as well, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.